Hi, welcome. Sifu Matthew Hansen here. Welcome to the Black Mantis online training system. Today we're going to cover a few little warm-ups for you to create flexibility in your joints and create mobility in your body and your mind. So first of all, we're going to start with the feet, and we're going to work our way back up to the head and then basically go back to stretch out the legs again. So what we'd like to do first is the ankle by grabbing your waist, sinking your power down to your left leg and just on the ball of your foot and just turn to the right. This one here, you just push your knee and your ankle will follow. It's a nice, soft, gentle movement. Usually all the exercises try to do to a count of 15 and then turn the opposite way, and again sinking the power down and constant breathing and relaxing. Big breaths in and big breaths out. Then we change to the other foot and we turn. Next one, we'll bring the knee up parallel and level, again sinking the power down the left leg, and just let the leg relax. Turn. And then the opposite way. This is really good for your balance as well. Turn to the other side, sink the weight down, bring the leg up and turn. And the other way. Always turning circles. Turn in, feet apart, hand onto the knees, back straight, sinking down, turn. At the same time you do this, roll your hands around your knees and give them a little massage along the way. Breathing in and breathing out. Feel the power and the burn to the leg as you sink down. Breathing constantly and sink and turn the other way. Back straight, looking forward. Turn, breathing. Place a hand on the back of the kidney, feet shoulder width apart. Sink your bottom back and turn your waist forward. Pushing around, breathing in for one rotation, breathing out for the other rotation. Pushing the hip out as far as it goes, pushing it back, keeping the back straight. And the opposite direction. And we'll go to the wrist. Place our hands here, interlock the fingers nice and gently. No tension at all. Place them at the center of your chest. Keep the shoulders dropped and just let your wrist flop from side to side. Breathing easy, turning, creating flexibility in the wrist. Nice and soft and gentle. And we'll roll the wrist 45. We'll turn, forward, turn, 5, 6. Again, warm-ups seem to only be warm-ups, but you never know what fighting technique comes from it. You can turn the wrist this way and turn back this way. Again, trying to keep all your shoulders down. Then we'll go onto the shoulder and the back, right hand up, left hand down, arm up here, like you're going to knock on a door and shut, knock on a door here, opening the chest, touching the shoulder blades. And breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Touch the shoulder blades, open the chest, touch the shoulder blades. Breathing in, breathing out. Slightly tilting your body to the side when you move. Place a hand on the chest, feet shoulder width apart, turning to the right, and 1, turn. Look with your eye as far as you can see. It will also allow you to turn further. The next one will be the neck. We place your chin on the chest, feet shoulder width apart. and then looking to the left, looking up and down. Push your body across. Breathe in as you go up. Drop the chin down. Breathe in. Noticing the neck is staying rather straight so the oxygen can flow from the back of the neck to the top of the head. So it's not going back and cutting the air off at the back. Here, chin down. Straight ahead. Look to the right. Look forward. Look to the left. Look forward. Look to the right. Look forward. Look down. Look up. Down. Forward to the side. Remember, always constant breathing. Normal breathing. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Out. In. Out. In. Out. Place the hands out. This time we're going to free up the hip. Place the hands and we're going to turn, connecting the chest and the waist, connecting the chest and the kidney, turning with your eye. And 1, 2. One hand touch the chest, the other wake the kidney. And we'll go back and stretch the back of the hamstring, feet together. Place the right leg back, one hand on the hip, other on the front leg, and press the leg back down and stretch. Come up, sink down, stretch, come up, sink down, and stretch. Then the other leg, hand on the front, hand on the back, bring the foot up, 1, press down and stretch. 2, stretch. Breathe in, breathe out. Move in, step in, foot parallel, foot facing 45, hand on the hip, hand on the thigh, stretching through the hip again, 1, press and hold. Come up, sink down and hold. And breathing, hold. Again, do all these exercises to about 15 seconds and that will benefit you very much. Up, press and stretch. Come up, press and stretch. Shoulders down, relaxed and turn. Bring the feet in, shake the head. Your body is allowed to become a dead weight. So your arms can become very heavy, your body becomes very relaxed and soft. The idea is to be soft and heavy. This is a basic warm-up for you to get involved with. Again, make your body feel nice and relaxed and ready to go. Of course, you never have this luxury in a fighting situation, so this is all just a personal thing for your own training. If you do this enough, and you train it all the time, well then, when the situation arrives, you'll be ready. Your body will already be nimble and ready to go. Warm up, warm down correctly is the main thing. Your body needs it, and enjoy your warm-ups. Enjoy the warm down, enjoy the stretching. The journey has only just begun. See you at the next lesson. All right.